Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the rate 7. So friends, today I'm talking in this video. I can give you a website that you can complete your job at a one time and you can get paid into your lifetime. But how it is possible? Yes, friend, it is possible. So friends, let's see the website. The website is known as the creativelife.com. The website is known as the creativelife.com. This is an site which provide a lot of online classes. There's that classes you maybe purchase, or you may be premium purchases. So friends, you don't need to purchase. You need one type of services provide in your creativelife.com, and you make money through this site a lot of through your lifetime. So friends, let's see how we can get money from this site. You can, if you click classes, there is a lot of online classes are available in this site. You can see here, you can see here the channel. There are the lot of online classes that may be purchased, and if you click is the photos and videos, there is a photos and videos related videos are online videos, fundamental photography, Adobe Photoshop, and you can see here the Adobe Photoshop 2020 and the art of the flower photography. This is an online video classes you may be purchased $119, and you can see here there is a 144 reviews, or means people are purchased this online classes. If we click here art and design, you can see here the lot of online classes are available in this site. You can see the designing your life, how to build a well-lived joyful life, and workflow and time management, productivity of the creative. So most of the people in this time becoming tense, and people need how to maintain their time and how to become the productivity in this life. So in this video, the all the details are available. If you purchase in this video, you can understand how the become maintain, how the people maintain the time, and there is also become a working artist. So if you click here the music and audios videos, you can see here the studio pass joy service, and the mixing master classes into to Apple Logic Pro, and recording metal with Levy. There are a lot of videos that are available, music and mm, uh, music classes. If you see here the money and life classes, there is a in under money and life classes you may be seen business basic, creative inspiration, social media writing. If you click here the social media, you can see here the social media classes video are available. Your social media bootcamp, build a fan base on YouTube. You can see here this video you can purchase, you can pay is a $9. But friends, what is the job of me? How can do in this type of video? So friends, you don't need to buy this video. So friends, there is another sticks in how to income from this site, without doing any investment or any expenditure, any money. uh, so friends, how we can do? So friends, if you click in this website, so you can go to this homepage of the website. You can mm, go at this bottom of this site. You can see here another, you can see, you can see here at the bottom of this site, you can see a join us. You can become a partners, you can become a partner of this site. So we need to become an affiliate. If you click here to become an affiliate, and make money by connecting our audience to great content, you need to refers to your customers to people to buy this video and make money without expenditure. So friends, if you refers to peoples, and the people buy your referral links, and you can make 30% commission. If you see here classes, you can 30% commission. This videos, you refers to the person, and this video is purchased by person with your reference link, and you can make money $10 approximately without doing nothing. So friends, this is an amazing website that gives a lot of money with when you become an affiliate partners of this site. You just are affiliate partners serves an audience looking for creative education and ability to earn living from their craft. So friends, without doing nothing, you just refers to people to buy these classes, online classes, and you make money 30% without doing nothing. So friends, how you can refer people, how you can get the people to buy this to buy these videos. So friends, I tell you the several ways you can refer the people, and I can definitely guarantee you that the people comes your reference link and buy and these videos, and you can make money. You can see here the on commission all purchases video. If you refers 100 video and the people comes and purchase 50 video, we can make a lot of money with this site. So friends, you can see here, if you any doubt, you can connect with this site and give their question, and they can give answer. So friends, how you refers, you need to sign up. When you sign up, you can get a reference link. And you need to copy this link and you share. uh, I can see you how you refers to feeds. This is an online classes. If you click here, and you can refers to ways to design your life, how to build a web life and joyful. It is just a copy. You can see here make by if you if one person buy this class, and the purchase of this is classes, and you can make approximately $10 without doing nothing. You can see here 78,000 student are review this, and they can recommend it to 93%. This online classes are, I think, one of the best online class. You can see here 21 videos lesson HD, exclusive bonus content, lifetime access. You can see here the lot of advantages available in this video. But how you just need to copy this, and you can find, you can share, or you can refer. So if it's, I need to refer to people how to build a well life and joyful life, and paste your link and another, when your reference link, and paste your the site of this, paste your links and post to your Facebook group, and you can search here design or the, you can see here lot of the design group are available. You can see here 22 million views. Mm, there is a lot of design group are available. You can see here there are a lot of group, design group. You just need to the copy, and you, when you sign in this website, you get in this reference link. You just need to copy this link and paste in this Facebook group, and the people purchase through your link, and you can make money. And there is another website, Quora.com. If you need to post how coffee, and you need to post how to build a well lived a joyful life. There is a several question people are answer this. If you click and get their link, video link, and the people purchase in this site and buy this video, and you can make money to this site. So friends, this is an absolutely passive income opportunities. When you share your reference link, and the people comes in this site, Quora.com, Facebook, and Twitter. You can share also email, various type of the traffic are available. You can share to the public and make money to their public. And you can, if you share in this Quora.com, the people come in this Quora.com and purchase. If you thinks 1000 and people will come in this site and purchase as 100, and you can make without doing $1000 from one video. If you share 10 video, you can make $10,000 from 10 video. If you share lot of video, you can make a lot of money from this site. So friends, this is an absolutely passive income opportunity given by the creativelife.com. So friends, you can come in this site and share their affiliate link, and people purchase with your link and you can make money from your site. So friends, thank you today in this video. If you want to earn more money from the online, so kindly subscribe my channel, because I provide a daily one video that if you watch my video and you can understand what are the incoming method of online opportunity. So friends, thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.